In this brand new InShot video, I'm going to show you how to hide personal information using InShot. First, tap Video, then tap New, and select the clip that you want to use. Because this object will be stationary, the street sign, in this stock clip, tracking or keyframes will not be necessary. But if the object moves, you'll need to use the tracking option or keyframes to make sure that your object, whatever it is, stays covered up for the duration of your video. Once your video is loaded, tap Canvas and make sure the correct aspect ratio has been set. There are two places you can access the detail panel. You can either use stickers or text. All of the options are exactly the same. I'm going to tap on text and you'll see the detail option. Tap on detail and choose the mosaic blur. This option is available in the free version as far as I can remember. But if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you what the other options look like. Once you've selected an option, you can long press and drag the widget over top of the object that you want to blur out. In this case, I'm using the street sign, so I will put the street sign in the middle of the mosaic widget. Once you've got your object sufficiently covered up, you can tap on the check mark. You'll need to tap on either end of the detail layer and choose Video Beginning or Clip Beginning if you've selected the beginning, and Clip End or Video End if you've selected the end. This operation expands the detail layer for the length of the entire video. This means that the object you've covered, no matter what it is, should remain blurred out for the length of the entire video. The street sign is not visible at any time. If the object moved, you would need to either use the tracking button or use keyframes. If you tap the detail layer to select it and then swipe over, you'll see the tracking option is available. I didn't use it because this object does not move. If you have a pro membership like I do, you can use any one of the other effects to blur out the street sign. To change the effect, just tap on Edit with the detail layer selected and then choose whatever effect you'd like. That effect will be changed to whatever effect you've chosen. A new detail layer will not be added. Here's what blur looks like. This is mosaic, the free option. And then you have triangle. It's the same as mosaic, but the blur shapes are triangles. This is dot. The blur shapes are dots. And this is glass, where the blurred section will look like frosted glass.